Hey y'all, it's me Anna, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video is a Roblox block break video, and yeah, it's just gonna be a normal Roblox block break roleplay. I just want to say sorry that I didn't post yesterday or the day before yesterday, because I said in one of my previous videos, or the video I made before yesterday, and yeah, that was like I said in it that I would post, but sorry I didn't have time. Oh, my friend is here. But yeah, let's just get started without any further ado. Huh? Another day with Lola alone home. It's so comfortable to finally have Lola home. And she's just the sweetest child anyone could ever have. Honey, come inside. Honey, are you coming? Okay, Mom. Come, cutie. So, while you were at Molly's house, I got you a dresser. And I also have pretty good news. Oh, cool. Finally, a new dresser. Honey, didn't you hear? I have pretty good news. What? Okay, sit down. I don't know how to tell her this. Okay, let's sit here. It's gonna make her more comfortable. Okay. So we are gonna adopt a kid. Yes? What? Adopt? What? Yeah, adopt a kid. Oh God. Maybe you feel sad, but that won't make you. Wait, what? Adopt? The bad kid? Is this a joke? No. Not a joke. Not a joke. Is it busy, Miss Maria? Thanks. Okay, yeah. Sorry, honey. Yeah, I miss her. Sorry, I miss her so much. And sorry I'm whispering. It's just something I do when I get nervous about telling you something or telling anyone else something. Well, it is hopefully a girl. Okay, yeah, it will be a girl. But it is not only because I miss Maria, but, yeah, honey? Yeah, honey? But, like I was. Oh, you want to talk first then? Okay. That is a little weird, but okay. But like I said, before, it is not only because I miss Maria. I think I can live with this. Okay, good. But it is not only because I miss Maria. It is because I want you to be happy with a friend to play with? Or is that what you do when you're 7 years old? I will go chat with Maria on Zoom. No, honey. You can't chat with her on Zoom, sorry. Why? Because she is really mean to us. She called me and she said she will never come back. Sorry, honey. So, does that mean I'm never gonna see my real sister again? Sadly, that means you're never gonna see your real sister again. But it's fine. You know, you can always have fun with the sister we will adopt. But nobody said I can't talk to her. Okay, well, go talk to her. If that really makes you happy, then go talk to her. Okay, BRB in a minute. He'll be right back in a minute. What has happened? She cannot just do that. And where did she learn BRB from? Honey, what are you doing? What if I just go outside the door and act like I'm not listening? Yeah, that would be much better. Or what if I listen from my room? Because that's much better. My room has a little tent wall. Chats with Maria. I can hear the Zoom call clock ting. Is she calling Maria? No way. I told her not to. But actually, after I said if it makes her happy, so I guess if it makes her happy. I can also look from the window. Okay, I don't need to be creepy. Looks. Hey, what's up, sis? Is she really talking to Maria? And that was Maria's voice? Oh god. What's... Well, nothing really. I just heard you are mean to Mom. Why isn't she talking? What if I hide right here? Then maybe she won't see me. Maria rolling eyes emoji. that. Don't send me that emoji. Maria, tell me, were you mean to Mom? Well, gotta go. Bye, sis. Okay, I need to run and act like I was doing something. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Just look in the window. No, that seems too suspicious. I never do that. What about saying dinner's ready? Oh, she's using her guitar. Hi, honey. Oh my god. Hi, Mom. Hey, were you talking to Maria? I don't want to make her sad. I don't want to make her sad. I don't want to make her sad. Yes. Honey, I won't get mad. Okay, don't worry. But wanna get ice cream? Wanna make ice cream, actually. Yes. Sure, Mom. Sure, let's make ice cream. Come. We will make it with our ice cream machine. What ice cream do you want? Okay, I don't need to talk that slow. It's yes, Marie. No, Lola. Oh my god, I cannot think about Maria that much. She just went out of us, or yeah, out of a family. She wants strawberry. Make strawberry. Come on, man. This is taking too much time. Mom? Yeah? Honey, no ice cream. Sorry. The thingy is broken. But honey, was it? Okay, well, Mom. Okay, I'll just say it now. I'll just say it. Don't say it, honey, please. You don't need to make the sentence that long. What is it, honey? What is it, honey? What is my new sis name? Oh, it is Layla, I think. Yeah, her name is Layla. I saw it on the Adoption Center's website. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate it so much. It was literally so traumatic, I think, because, like, she went on a Zoom call without even asking me. Like, why, Lola? Why? But, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate it so much. But please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press that bell down below. Then you will get a notification every time I post something new. Bye, guys!